Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today you guys are probably wondering, Nicole, you got no foundation on, you only have your under eye on. That is because we are going to be testing out a product. I did post a picture over on my Instagram, and I did have a lot of requests come in saying, hey Nicole, can you do a review on this product? And I was like, totally, for sure. And I am talking about the new Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. So this is the reason why I have no foundation on, just my moisturizer. So I'm going to zoom you guys in, let you guys know all about this balm and what I think of it, and does it really work like the claims that they say on the back of the box. Does it really work? So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So here's the packaging here, just really nice and clean and simple packaging, which I really like. And here is the under eye primer right here. And I just love how clean this packaging looks. I really hope that it's picking up on the beautiful holographic lettering on it because it's so pretty. And here is the color of the primer right here. It's this beautiful like light pastel blue shade. So I'm going to give you all the information about this primer. I will pop it up here on the screen for you guys. The one thing that really caught my eye was the claim that your makeup will never crease or look cakey. And we're all about that life. You don't want your under eye area to look like it's creasing, and you definitely don't want to look like it's cakey. So that definitely caught my eye right away about this product. It does retail for $38 on Sephora's website. I was just so excited when I seen this pop on Sephora's website. I was like, yes, I was all over it. I definitely need it. I just want a product to make my under eye area look so beautiful. You know, I'm after trying a few products in the past that, you know, it just doesn't really work for me. And sometimes that's what happens. It might work for you and it might not work for me, or vice versa. That's just because the way our skin is. But this product is so beautiful, so gorgeous. So there we go, I got it already applied to underneath my eyes. Even my under eye area looks nice and bright and just really soft. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation and my concealer. So I zoomed you guys in some more so you could actually see how the foundation and concealer are going to apply underneath my eye area. And of course, today I'm going to be using my holy grail of holy grail foundations, and this is the YSL All Hours Full Coverage Matte Foundation in the shade BR30. Love this stuff. So beautiful, so gorgeous. I just love it. I cannot say enough about it. And I'm also going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Little Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to apply it right underneath my eye. So now with all my foundation applied, I am going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to apply a little bit, like I always do, underneath my eye area. I just do 3 little dots because this is such a full, great, amazing coverage concealer, which I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to blend that out. And there you go, there is the foundation and the concealer applied on top of the eye primer. And as you can tell when I'm up close, like you can see no creasing right now, and there's like no cakiness. And I just love how smooth my under eye area looks. It looks absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set one of my under eye areas with powder just to see how it plays up with the powder compared to with no powder. And I am going in with the original, the RCMA No Setting Powder, which my friend Dimitra sent to me, and I absolutely love this powder. It's absolutely amazing. I'm sure you guys have tried this out before, and for me it was my first time trying it out when she sent it to me. So I was like, oh my goodness, so excited for it. So thanks once again, Dimitra. Check out her channel. It'll be right here up on the screen for you guys. She's so awesome. So now I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eye area. Now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm just going to sweep away that excess powder. So the time right now is 11:18, so I will be doing check-ins just to show you guys how it is playing up, if there's actually any creasing or if it becomes cakey or anything like that. So I will check in with you guys afterwards. So you guys, this is check-in number 1. It is now 12:22, so it's just a little after an hour since I applied this to my under eye area. So far it's looking good. This is the side with no powder and this is the side with powder. I'm getting ready now to go with my friend Ashlee for Making Up Ashlee for lunch. I'll pop her channel name right here on the screen for you guys to check her out. She's totally awesome, really kind, really sweet, totally love her. But anyhow, now look at this. See the natural light just beaming in on my face? But yeah, so far so good. I'm really liking it. So here we are up close and personal. Anyhow, so here's the side that once again I put the RCMA setting powder under, and this side has none. Once again, it's still looking good from what I could tell. It's still looking good. Like there's no creasing, no cakiness yet. This is so far like really amazing. So yeah, and if you guys are curious as to what I'm wearing on my eyes today, it's one of the Huda Beauty mini palettes, the mauve one. I will have all the products listed down below today on what I'm wearing on my face, but my lip gloss wore off while I was eating lunch, but that's okay. But all in all, so far so good. So I shall check in with you guys afterwards. So you guys, it's now 5 o'clock in the evening. This is going to be my last check-in because I just am ready to get this makeup off of my face and sit back and relax. But anyhow, I'm just standing by the natural light, whatever I could get now before it gets dark. But just look at this, like it has increased nothing. It's legit. Like this is amazing stuff. I absolutely love this. I was telling Ashlee earlier today at lunch about it, and I was like, I'm really hoping that this works, and it is amazing. I love it. Love the fact that this side here has no powder on. It never creased, it never got cakey, it didn't do anything. It's still looking nice and like smooth and bright and just beautiful. And same with the side where I did apply the powder. It still looks beautiful as well. I don't know which side I like better because they are both just so nice in general. I'm really impressed with this product. Definitely recommend it. I definitely think that this is going to be something that will be in my daily use. And maybe even sometimes when I don't want to wear makeup and I just want to make my under eye area look really nice and smooth, I'm going to apply it anyways. I think so. And yeah, I'm totally in love with this product. Really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite under eye primer, because I'm open to more. I really want to try more. I really love this Becca one. And yeah, so let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.